You want to start or you want me to start it?
You started.
Welcome back to the Burnout Bobby YouTube channel. In today's video, we're giving Noah a haircut.
Wait, what? That wasn't part of the plan?
We had a plan?
No.
Alright, we'll do this one again. Welcome back to the Burnout Bobby YouTube channel. In today's video, we're dyeing Noah's underwear pink.
What?
You didn't like that?
That's not what I signed up for.
What were we supposed to do?
I thought we were gonna build a bike.
That's right, we're building a bike. I forget sometimes, right? That's what it is. By the way, look at this man merched out, head to toe. He's got the Ruckus drip shirt, the Burnout Bobby signature hat. Gotta give a huge shout out to Swamp Tees for that. He came through with getting the right size for Noah, knowing that Noah is here. If you guys don't know, this is my nephew Noah. He has been on the channel for the last 2 years now. Every summer he comes up from Puerto Rico and hangs out with me for a little bit. And we get to work on bikes and
Have fun.
have fun, that's right. Today, we are installing the Zoomermadness Fender. So I don't know if you guys remember, but I got this Fender probably about almost 8 months ago or so from Zoomermadness in the UK, and I absolutely loved it. It's just I had to get it paint matched to match the Ruckus, and my buddy Josh did a really good job paint matching it for me. The finish is very good. Nice glossy finish, which is what I like. This is a very easy install. We put the brackets on already at the lowest setting because I have the low profile tire, so this one's going to just bolt right up. There's a groove section here that it bolts onto matches up with your forks. There's a little groove right here that it can line up with. So Noah's going to go ahead and match that up, get that on there, and then we'll go ahead and get it tightened up. All right, Noah, how do we do this?
So you're gonna see that like little bump and this little gap, and you're just gonna line it up.
Open them up. You do one at a time, right?
Yeah. Sorry.
That's fine. There you go.
There.
The side's all in place too. Yeah, good job. So the next part is what? You're going to take one of those bolts right there and then put it through the hole and tighten it up, right? Okay. So we put it right through there. And then use that and turn it clockwise. Yep. Got her snug. Oh yeah. You can do the same thing on the other side here. Put that bolt through. Super clean. You got some front view here. I really like this one. Sits tight to the wheel. I'll put a link for his Instagram in the bio again, so if you've missed the other video I had of this Fender, I did a video install of this. It's a very easy part. Super cool. He has a lot of different parts. He has like Fender side skirts, things like that he's been making for it. So it is the last piece to the puzzle with my Ruckus. No, pretty easy install today, right?
Yeah.
Next up, we're going to get to this motor. Right? You're going to show me how to build a motor, right?
I guess so, yeah.
Okay. All right, well, close it out for me.
Well, please like and subscribe and try and get some merch.
Support your boy, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, have a good one.
Peace out.
That's right.